Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers for January 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. As you know from our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers and every Thursday we will upload government and private jobs for diploma mechanicals. In this week, in this video, we are included 9 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. Let us start with government job. In government job, first job is Combined Graduate Level Exam 2020 at Staff Selection Commission SSC. It's not a technical job, but SSC is an organization under Government of India to recruit staff for various posts in the various ministries and departments of the Government of India and in subordinate offices. SSC will hold Combined Graduate Level Examination 2020 for filling up of various Group B and Group C posts in the different ministries, departments and organizations. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 6,506. Group B gazetted have 250. Group B non-gazetted have 3,513. Group C have 2,743 number of posts. Pay and allowances are 47,600 to 1,51,100. Different posts have different pay scale. Qualification: bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent. The candidates appearing in the final year examination can also apply, however, they must process essential qualification on or before 1st January 2021. Age limit is 18 to 32. Different posts have different age limit. Application fee Rs 100 for general and no fee for SC, ST female candidates. Selection process. Selection will be based on 4 tier exams and followed by interview. Tier 1 exam will be online mode with a 25 objective type MCQ with the syllabus general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, English comprehension. Tier 2 exam will also be online mode with 100 objective type MCQ with the syllabus quantitative ability, English language and comprehension, statistics, general studies, finance and economics. Tier 3 exam will be descriptive type with the pen and paper mode. Tier 4 exam will be skill test for applicable post. How to apply? Application must submitted only in online mode at the official website of SSC headquarters as shown on screen on or before 31st January 2021. Next is probationary officer at Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India ECGC Limited. This is also a non-technical job. The ECGC Limited, formerly Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited, is a company wholly owned by Government of India based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It provides export credit insurance support to Indian exporters and is controlled by Ministry of Commerce. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 59. Pay and allowances are 32,795 to 62,350. The pay scale is due for revision since August 2017. Qualification is bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent. Age limit is 18 to 30. Application fee is 700 for general and 125 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Selection process. The recruitment process consists of online examination followed by the interview. The online examination will be online mode with a 200 objective type MCQ and 2 descriptive type question. Online examination conducted at 20 centers all over India. Candidates who will be shortlisted in the online examination will be called to Mumbai for an interview to be conducted by an in-house panel of the company. How to apply? Candidates are first required to go to the ECGC website as shown on screen and click on the home page to open the link Career with ECGC and apply online on or before 31st January 2021. Next is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer at Intelligence Bureau IB. IB is India's domestic intelligence, internal security and counterintelligence agency. IB is under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. It is reputed to be the oldest such organization in the world, started in 1885. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 2000. Post name is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer. Pay and allowance is 44,900 to 1,42,400 plus 20% basic as special security allowance plus other admissible central government allowances. Age limit is 18 to 27 years. Application fee is 600 for general and 500 for SC/ST candidates. Selection process. Selection will be based on 2-tier exams and followed by interview. Tier 1 exam will be on online mode with a 100 objective type MCQ. Tier 2 exam will be descriptive type paper of 50 marks. Then interview will be conducted with a physiometric or aptitude test. How to apply? Candidates are required to apply online through the link as shown on screen or through the website www.mha.gov.in or www.ncs.gov.in on or before 9 January 2021. Next is some state government jobs. First one is Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission. Post name is Boiler Inspector Grade 1 and 2. Age limit is 40. Pay scale is 67,300 to 2,06,900. Last date of online application is 14th February 2021. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next job is also from MPPCSE. Post name is Forest Ranger. Age limit is 40. There are 105 posts are there. Pay scale is 36,200 to 1,14,800. Last date for online application is 14th February 2021. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. First one is Junior Executive Technical at Airport Authority of India's last date is 14th January 2021. Various posts at Jammu and Kashmir Service Selection Board's last date is 16th January 2021. Boiler Inspector at Bihar Public Service Commission's last date is 18th January 2021. Section Engineer Mechanical at Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation's last date is 21st January 2021. Management Trainee Mechanical at National Fertilizers Limited's last date is 21st January 2021. I will provide last video's link on my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first job is Graduate Engineer Trainee at NFA Life Secure Private Limited, Chennai. NFA has started its operation in the year of 1987. The company has engaged in the design, execution and commissioning of various fire protection systems and electronic security system. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary offered are 10,000 to 12,000 per month. Job responsibility: developing and implementing project or service standards, developing and implementing annual maintenance control system, monitoring and analyzing quality, performance, etc. Decide candidate profile, be from electrical or mechanical. Consider for batches 2019 and 2020 only. There is 24 month of contract as per GET. Role is GET. Industry type is fire protection system. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can apply through online through their website as shown on screen or can send their latest resume to the hr@nfa.co.in or can contact the employer directly through the mobile number as shown on screen. Next is Engineer Production at GE Renewable Energy, Gujarat. GE Renewable Energy is a division of General Electric headquartered in Paris, France, focusing on production of energy from renewable sources. GE Renewable Energy was created in 2015. Its portfolio of products includes wind, onshore and offshore, hydroelectric and solar, concentrated and photovoltaic power generating solutions. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 0 to 1 year experience in manufacturing. Salary offered best in the industry. Job description: perform the daily operations of plants to ensure reliability and consistency on the production line, include service jobs. Position requiring understanding of concept, method and procedures. Role is production engineer. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can apply through GE website as shown on screen. I will provide the website IDs on my description also. Next is PPC, Production Planning and Control Engineer at Focus Energy Limited, Rajasthan. Focus Energy Limited is an independent oil and gas exploration company active in the Indus Basin. Focus Energy Limited is a part of privately owned diversified business group having presence in various industries and business interests. We are primarily focusing on exploration, development and production of oil and natural gas in India. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 years. Location is Jaisalmer. Salary offered are 2,25,000 to 3 lakh per annum. Job description: Key performance indicators KPIs, project or production planning, monitor downtime due to planning delay, scheduling and follow up with other departments, etc. Skill updation: daily production plan, ensure material on each line against production plan, release monthly and weekly schedule to the inter plan, etc. Role is PPC engineer. Industry type is oil and gas. It's a production and manufacturing is function area. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to Kunal Ahuja, HR recruiter, through mail ID hrd8@focusoil.in. Next is design engineer mechanical at Safran Engineering Service India Private Limited. Safran Engineering Service is a part of Safran Group and subsidiary of Safran Electrical and Power. The company provides high-tech engineering service to the aerospace, energy and ground transport industries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 4 years. Salary offered are not disclosed. Job location is Bangalore. Job role: FE modeling of aircraft seat components for crash analysis, provision in shell machining, provision in hexahedral machining, in-depth knowledge of machining requirement for crash analysis, tool knowledge is hypermesh. Role is design engineer. Industry type is aviation aerospace. Function area is engineering design R&D. It's a full-time permanent job. The interested candidates can send their latest resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. Next is project application and services engineer at Emirates Ceramics India Limited. Emirates SA is a French multinational company which specializes in production and processing of industrial minerals. It's headquartered in Paris and has operating in 50 countries and has more than 18,000 employees. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job location is Nagpur, Maharashtra. Job role: adhere to our safety protocol, conducting safety toolbox, site audit, reporting near misses, etc. Quality application by following SOP as described in the installation and manual include maintaining of all laid down quality document site, strictly adhere to drawing, etc. Role is project application and service engineer. Industry type is ceramic. Job reference is RUQ 03690. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can view the detailed advertisement and can apply through online by using the link as shown on screen. Next is senior design engineer SolidWorks at Jindal Aluminium Limited. Jindal Aluminium Limited is a 50-year-old company with an annual turnover of over 2,500 crore. Jindal Aluminium Limited are the largest manufacturer of aluminium extrusion in the country. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 to 5 years. Salary offered are 2,50,000 to 3,50,000 per annum. Job description: to create models, blueprints and visual vendors of mechanical components, conduct design, simulation and analysis review of the component or assembly, providing and maintaining documentation of all the components mode, etc. Requirement candidate profile: the key deliverable of design engineer using SolidWorks tool are follows: excellent verbal and communication skill, provision in MS Office, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, etc. Works experience and knowledge, NPD and DFMA. Role is senior design engineer SolidWorks. Industry type is industrial product. Function area is engineering design. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates should send their latest resume to hr@jindalaluminium.com. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Rail Wheel Plant Bela, RWF Bela. Rail Wheel Plant is situated at Bela in Saran district of Bihar. It is established to meet the growing requirement of wheel disc for the Indian Railway. RWF Bela invited application for engagement of trainee apprentice under NATS. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have completed engineering graduation on 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible. Preference will be given to those candidates who reside nearby districts such as Saran, Vaishali and Patna of Bihar. Maximum age is 26. Stipend offered are 9,000 per month. How to apply? Eligible candidates have to register online through the website as shown on screen. Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in NATS portal using the link as shown on screen. The candidates have to apply to the respective apprenticeship on or before 14 January 2021. Next is graduate apprentice at Northeast Electric Power Corporation Limited, NEEPCL. Northeast Electric Power Corporation Limited is a Schedule A Miniratna Category 1 Central Public Sector enterprise under the Ministry of Power, Government of India. Corporation is engaged in planning, designing and execution of power projects of hydro and thermal and solar and entering into wind power projects. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates should pass qualifying degree after 2018 only. Place of training is Pere Hydroelectric Plant, NEPCO, Arunachal Pradesh. Maximum age is 28. Stipend offer are 18,000. Selection procedure. Selection shall be based on merit as per marks secured in the degree course. First preference shall be given to the candidates belonging to the state in which the power plant is located. List of selected candidates will be made available at the website as shown on screen. The call letter will be sent through the registered email only. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD using the link as shown on screen, and candidates must use the establishment code as shown on screen. After submitting the online application, the applicant should download any EPCO apprenticeship application form from the corporate website, take a printout and fill up all the relevant information and send the duly filled form via email on the mail ID as shown on screen, along with the self-attested scan copies in PDF format with the relevant documentation on or before 25th January 2021. That's all for this week's employment news videos. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.